Hello, my name is Eris and I teach English and Cebuano on italki. I am a certified ESL teacher with over 3 years of work experience teaching online. I work with students of different nationalities, ages, and levels, and I specialize in teaching young learners and beginners. I am also a professional scuba diving instructor from the Philippines. I have been teaching since 2016. My job is fun and challenging, and the best part is I get to meet a lot of interesting people from all over the world. I am a very active person who enjoys life. I travel a lot, not only around the beautiful islands of the Philippines, but also in some places in Europe and Southeast Asia. My method of teaching is to tailor my lessons to the level and preference of every student. For beginners and young learners, TPR comes in really handy. And if your goal is to practice your speaking skills, then you don't have to memorize a long list of vocabulary in my class. Instead, you and I can talk about interesting topics, have a friendly conversation, and practice the language that you actually want to use. We can work together to help you achieve your full potential in learning a new language. Kumusta ka akong higala? Kung gusto nimo nga magkat-on og Cebuano, dali na sa akong klase. Sayon ra kaayo ni, ug sigurado ko nga malingaw ka ug makakat-on pa. Daghang salamat, magkita ta puhon. So what are you waiting for? If you want to learn English and Cebuano, come and join me in my class. I'll see you soon. Bye!